there, RevRender Garage fans. It's Sean. We are sitting at the gas station filling up the rig because we're going to pick up a new project scooter. And I finally got my hands, well, haven't got them on it yet, but soon, in like 45 minutes, we should be looking at a Honda Ruckus. Very excited about it. I've been wanting to get my hands on a Honda Ruckus so I can start possibly developing some cool parts and just understand all the similarities between that and the Mad Dogs. So stay tuned, and we're going to make our way up there and go check this thing out. He lowered his price from $2,000 down to $1,500, which blows me away because the condition of this thing is really actually very nice. It sounds like he has cared for this very well, loves it very much, and is very sad to see it go. Yeah, we're here with Jonathan right here. Come take a look at the Ruckus. What year is it?
2012.
Yeah, it's got that 50cc sound.
Yep, this is the fastest around. Like we got one in here that's mountain bike, and it'll still be around. So we go down and up to the beach, and then it'll haul that all the way up back.
Nice. How many people have them around here?
So we got 3. This is my best friend Tim right here, so he's got one too with
Yeah,
150cc.
I got 3 Mad Dogs.
Oh, cool.
Gonna get rid of one, but
yeah.
I've been looking for a new project scooter, so.
Yeah, look at this one inside here. It's my buddy Jeremy's.
Oh, this is the one that was in the picture.
Yeah,
with
yeah,
yours.
So we always ride together, always cruise together. So he just bought this one too a couple months ago.
That's
So
cool.
putting it back together and modifying it.
Yeah, I've been trying to get my hands on a Ruckus because on the Mad Dogs, I've started creating like aftermarket parts for them and stuff, and doing really cool upgrades on them. So I don't know what the crossover point is with a Ruckus, but now I'll know, you know.
For sure.
I mean, just looking at like the battery box and stuff like this, it's totally different.
Oh, for sure. And it's got the double shock right here. My buddy Tim right there, he took it off, so he's one-sided now, like us.
Nice, very nice.
They're super fun.
Okay.
Got the Yoshimura shock.
So lighter weights.
Yeah, lighter weights on the inside, and you can totally tell the difference. It's just like, it takes off. It'll top out in about 43, 44 miles an hour. It's a 49cc, But for riding around here,
And what did you say it topped out at?
With me on it, it's about 44, 45.
That's not bad. All right, I like it. Would you take 13?
Definitely, man. It's a good deal.
13?
Good bike, good guy.
Okay, sounds good, man. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, we have picked up the scooter and we are en route home. Everything looked good on it. Definitely some cleanup on it, and it is missing the speedometer. I wonder if we can solve that problem. Yeah, we're gonna get it home, get it inside, take a look at it a little bit closer. All right, folks, now we are back at the shop and we have the project scooter in here, and I just wanted to give you a little walk around and show you what I'm seeing here. So it's in pretty good shape. It definitely needs some work. You can see the speedometer cable is like 10 miles long here. The other thing too is there is no speedometer, but I'm pretty sure that we can solve that. Yeah, just taking a walk around, a little odd. I've never owned a Ruckus, so I don't exactly know everything I'm looking at here, but it starts up, runs great. Kind of a few aftermarket parts here, a little NCY exhaust. Yeah, for the most part, it's a nice looking little bike. Back tires like brand new. There's a lot of little things that I'm thinking about doing to this bike. Here's the thing. I know I can get money out of it if I put it for sale right now. I could get more than I paid for it right now. But the thing is I've got all this powder coating over there. See all those little things? Yeah, that's going to allow us to make this way cooler. It's already got kind of a black and red theme going on, so I might continue that. I had good success with a black and red project scooter already. So stay tuned, because we're gonna keep working on this. And just so you know, I have already ordered new handlebars. So we will be installing those once they get here. All right, folks. I'm glad you could take a little trip and go pick up a project scooter with me. Looking forward to working on it and having you guys follow along with the progress. If you like what you see, tell your friends, subscribe, like, comment, and for now, RevRender out.